Sir, first of all, congratulations again for winning the leadership award. And how do you feel about it?
It's great. I mean, it's a great feeling, and I'm really honored to receive this award with many other leaders in the industry. So it's a great feeling.
Yeah. Sir, any award or any recognition comes with a lot of effort, I'm sure. So to do any effort, you have to be motivated always. What is that keeps you motivated at work?
What keeps me motivated? I've always been a self-motivated guy. So I don't, in fact, to be very frank, I don't look for recognition actually. So but the moment you don't look for recognition, and when recognition comes, it's always a huge motivation. So like I said, I've always been a self-motivated guy.
Thank you. Excellent. So we'd like to know, how did it all start? When did it all start? When did you become the first facility manager, and how did you enter in this career?
Oh, okay. Comparing with many of my colleagues and esteemed friends here, I would have entered a little late into this career, because I have started my career as a sales and marketing guy with my this organization and the earlier organization. I have been with Titan for about 27 years, and that is almost just about a year lesser than how long Titan has been alive in this country. Okay, and so I moved from sales to sales and marketing to retailing to and then on to administration now. So yeah, it's been more than about 10-11 years in this function, and it's been very exciting.
Sir, one thing which I would like to know is the difference between the sales profile and the facility manager. You know, what's the major difference what you see?
There is not much of a difference. You know, it's a one function which is sales. Mostly you do external customers. You handle more of external customers, but here it is all internal customers. So there is not much of a difference. It's service is service, and you have there you have numbers to achieve. That is a target numbers to achieve. But here you don't look at numbers. You know, you maybe you look at more number of services you do to your internal customers.
Excellent. So in any of the profile, let's say sales or facility managers, you know, it requires a work-life balance to be maintained. The family is on the other side. So how does your weekend looks like?
Weekends off late are better. Okay. Yeah, I have no complaints. While my mobile will be on 24/7 like any other facility head's mobile, I have no complaints. And like I said, Titan is there in my blood, and I'm very proud that I am part of one of the guys who built that this great organization. And so I don't look at it as a because my family has always been Titan first. So there is no complaints.
No complaints.
No.
So a lot of people are looking up to take up facility manager roles, and a lot of people have already come into this profile. So what is that one advice which you like to give them?
See, like you rightly said, there are a lot of youngsters who are willing to take up this job. See, the first and foremost, the quality what you need is you need to have patience, and you need to have that feeling that I wanted to service or serve the internal or external customers, whoever you have. And the advice will be that be patient. Slowly FM is gaining momentum, and people are started recognizing whether admin or FM or CRE, whatever you call this function. Be patient, and the time is not too far off that we will be recognized in line with many other frontline functions.
Would you like to give any message for your team?
Other than saying thank you, what else I can say? Thanks for all your support. Continue to do well, and my support is always there with them. So nothing else except a big thank you. Nothing else.
Thank you. See, everyone has someone whom he takes as a mentor or an inspiration. You have someone in your life whom you take as an inspiration.
Oh, actually, I have not one. Actually, I have many. Not many. Okay, I can say about. Say maybe I can name maybe 3 other than my parents. Of course, will be always your top of the mind. From my functional career, I think. My mentors have been first, of course, will be Mr. Tata, the late J.R.D. Tata, whom I've been fortunate to interact and work with. And second, of course, it is definitely, these are not in any priorities. I'm just saying first, second, and third. But it's second has been the founder of Titan company, which is Mr. Xerxes Desai. I think he's been my definitely a great motivator and mentor. And last but not the least, my present managing director, Mr. Bhaskar Bhatt, with whom I have worked in the last 27 years, both in sales function and in the current role. And so to name, this will be the 3 mentors which I have.
What are the inspirations which you could take from them? The few mentors.
The biggest inspiration which I have from all 3 of them, if you ask me one quality which all of them had or have, because one person is no more in this world, is humility. I think the humility in which I saw Mr. Tata, Mr. Desai, and now Bhaskar, I think humility is something which has been my inspiration. Such a great people, great visionaries, but they were always down to the earth.
Thank you, Shashi. It was wonderful talking to you. I'm sure your inputs will help the industry. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Acharya and I'm the CEO of OffiNeeds.com. We help businesses to plan and purchase office stationery and daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystic. We help more than 500 plus companies go green and do water conservation.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fmwalloffame.com to watch several more interviews like these.
Do not forget to like, share and comment.